What's up, y'all? We are back with another video.
Oh,
I was gonna use my camera over there, but it's giving me some issues. But we're about to try these ice creams. We got strawberry, zebra cake, honey bun, Swiss roll, brownies, and oatmeal cream. Oatmeal cream cake. So we're gonna try all of them and give y'all our review.
Yeah.
Hold on. Ooh. All right, y'all. Oh. Like my son got these Swiss rolls, and I got the honey bun. Let me open it.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna open that part. Got our spoons. Hold on. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna take. I want to taste yours too. I'm gonna taste it. Hold on. Ooh. Hold on. I want to try this one too. We're gonna try the same one together. Then we'll go on the next one. Actually, they kind of do taste like the cake.
Mm-hmm. No, mine.
Okay, what do you think? You think like the cake? No?
Cake.
You taste like the cake?
Yeah.
It's real good. That's a good flavor to this. I can mess with this right now. I can. I think we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. I think I give this a 7. What do you think, Lando? What number you give it? 1 to 10.
Go.
You give it 10?
Yeah.
Hey, 10. I'm gonna say 7. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next ice cream. Here. Put the top on. We're gonna try another one.
Mm-hmm.
So the ones we tried, we're gonna put them over to the other side. We'll move to the side. So we already tried those. So you gonna try the brownie?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're not turning on the honey bun right now. So open the brownie. My son likes chocolate ice cream. Oh, got the candy in it too. So we're trying the brownie. How it taste?
Mm-hmm.
You said, must be good.
Okay.
I don't know about this one. I can't really taste. No, hold on, Linda. Read one of them. When you do this, you can taste the brownie, but like just eating it, you really can't taste it. You gotta do stuff like that. I like the texture. It's chocolatey and it's soft, but I really can't taste it. Let's put this up. Put the top on it. So we're gonna give it a 5. I can't taste them. I mean, it's hard to try taste the actual brownie taste. Or the actual brownie. We'll move those right down to the side.
Mama.
I'm kind of rushing this video because my phone is about to go dead. So we're gonna try the oatmeal cake, Lando.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're trying this one.
Me.
Oatmeal cream pie. Let's taste it.
Oatmeal.
You don't like it? You didn't like it? You said you don't like this one. You want to try that one? Hold on, wait for me. Let me rate it. Hold on, wait for me. You know this right here? I can taste the cream. The cream pie.
Oatmeal.
Nope. I can taste it.
Mama.
Will I keep eating it? Yeah, I mean, I mess with it. Hold on. We gotta work on one at a time. Yeah, I keep eating this. I'm gonna give this because I tasted the oatmeal, the cream pie, everything. I'm gonna give this a. I'm gonna give it 8.
Mama.
No. Hold on. Ooh, and it got the cookies in there. Look at that. Look at this.
Mama.
Look. You can get the cookies. Like, the oatmeal in there.
Mama.
10.
Mama.
I'm giving this a 10. That's a 10.
Mama.
Okay. Hold on. That's a 10. Alright, now my son wants to try the. You want to hold up the camera? Show him. He wants to try this, the zebra cake. So we're going to forgot to open this.
Cake.
Ooh. You don't like it? Hold on. You need to rush me through them. Hold on. And this one right here, I don't taste the zebra. I just taste like regular chocolate. I don't taste it. Because I'm rating it on the cake, the taste of the cake. I want to taste the cake.
Mama.
I'm gonna give this one a 4. I'm not feeling it. I don't feel this one.
Okay.
I see why he put it up. No 5. I know you rushing through them. But that one is a 4. This is a 4. The zebra cake. To me, to us. Other people might think different, but. And it's the honey bun. Let's show them.
Mommy. Mama.
I'm showing them ice cream. They better taste the honey bun. Ooh, bless you. Okay, I'm okay. That's good. That's just and I got the little crunchy things in there. This is good. 10. 10 all day. Look how look. Look at this. Look good. And got a little cookies now. That's good. Are we done with the honey bun?
Mama.
And now we're on to the strawberry shortcake rolls.
Over there.
My son, like, I told y'all, okay, this is the strawberry shortcake later.
Cake.
This is my favorite cake. Look, y'all, I love these cakes right here. I love this. So, come on, y'all. I hope it tastes good. Hope it tastes like it. Let me give another spoon. They're your favorite. It just tastes like strawberry ice cream. This just tastes like strawberry ice cream to me. What about you? Just strawberry ice cream? You wanna taste the cake? No? I love strawberry ice cream too. Because I like strawberry ice cream, but because I'm taking points off because I don't taste the cake, I'm gonna give it a 6. This is a 6. And that's how I look inside. And it just tastes like strawberry ice cream. But my favorite one is the honey bun, which is a 10. The honey bun is definitely a 10. The oatmeal cake for me is a 10. And he likes that one. I forgot. Okay. The zebra cake is a 4. Yeah. Brownie. It was alright. Let me taste it again. Yeah, 4. I can't taste it. It's like a smooth chocolate. It gives me a smooth chocolate taste. Zebra cake again. So 4. No, yeah, 4 brownie for brownie 4. Cream pie 10. Honey bun 10. Strawberry cake a 6. Oh, this is yours. You put chocolate in now. I already got chocolate in there anyway. Oh, let me put the little cake stuff in now. Okay, now I taste it. When you get down to the, you gotta go down deep in it, in the ice cream. Look, there's like little cake stuff in there. This is the zebra one, the zebra cake. Okay. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna give this one. I'm gonna give it a 7.5. It's alright. It's alright. I think my son's favorite ice cream is the Swiss roll. This one right here. You can eat both. No, eat that one. The Swiss roll. He likes this one. I think I like this. Let me see. Oh, you gotta go. Oh, they put the cake in there. They put some of the cake in there. Look at that. Oh, I taste it. Yup. They did a thing with these ice creams. They smooth with it. Like you gotta go deep in the ice cream to actually get the
Mama.
like the cake. I think they put some of the cake in the ice cream.
Mama.
Cake. It looks good. Yeah. This is not. I mean, you know I'm gonna give this a 10. Because I like the fact they put the cake in there. Look. They put the cake inside the ice cream. Alright, that's your favorite? Alright, I gotta wash my hand. No, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too long or whatever. So I'm kind of like rushing or whatever. But we tried them all. And I gave y'all my thoughts on each one of them. But yeah, my best one is the honey bun. The honey bun goes. And my son's favorite one is the Swiss roll ice cream. These two right here. These are our favorites. Look. Look now. I'm trying to do a thumbnail. I'm gonna do. Anyway, subscribe. Subscribe to the. I'm gonna put the top on this one. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Like the video. And yes, we'll probably do more. Try to do some more reviews. Whatever comes new in the store, we'll do it. And yes, we hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out. Say bye. Say bye bye. You can tell them bye. Say peace. Say peace. Let his mouth full of ice cream, y'all.